Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make chicken almond or poulet or badam. And this recipe is served like between 6 to 8 depending how you're serving it, with rice or with roti, naan or paratha. So for the ingredient, we're gonna need chicken, and this is about 3 pounds of chicken, and I'm using chicken breast and chicken leg both. We need salt, pepper, and plain yogurt and ginger garlic paste, and these are the ingredients to marinate the chicken. And then for the gravy, I need a bay leaf, cinnamon stick, green cardamoms, some spices, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, pepper. Optional is chili powder. If you don't want it spicy, just avoid this. And then I have my almonds soaking in warm water for about half an hour. Chopped coriander, some green chilies, optional. And then we need lots of finely sliced onion. So in the meantime, you can preheat your oil. And first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add salt, just a little bit, black pepper to the chicken. We are going to marinate this chicken, ginger garlic paste and plain yogurt. I already washed my hand. I'm gonna use my hand and marinate this chicken very well, and then I'm gonna cover and keep it just on my counter while I fry the onion. So we need to fry the onion, and it's gonna take a while, so that time the chicken has enough time to get some marination. So my oil is hot enough. Now you can see there's a bit of oil. It's about 1.5 cups, but I'm not gonna use all of this to make the chicken, the almond chicken. We just need, like, you know, enough oil just to fry the onion. So I'm just gonna fry this onion by stirring time to time until just a light golden brown, not too brown, like a very nice color, light golden brown. And now I'm gonna remove them and just put them on a plate with paper towel. And now I'm gonna go blend this almond. So I'm gonna add this almond in my blender with whole milk, which I forgot to show you guys before, and I'm gonna blend this into a paste. The paste is done. A little bit chunky of the almond left behind. That is totally perfect. And now another thing I forgot to show you, we need 1 medium-sized onion, just roughly chopped like that. So I'm gonna add this to the blender, to the same blender, and no need to wash it. It's all flavor here. So that is in, and I'm also gonna add half of the fried onion. I'm gonna add some water and I'm gonna blend this into a fine paste. So I did remove some oil, and left behind here is about 1/2 cup, maybe a little bit more. And now I'm gonna add this cinnamon, cardamom and bay leaf, and then I'm gonna add the chicken pieces that we have marinated earlier. And now I'm gonna let this chicken cook just until the chicken catch a little bit of color. It's gonna take about 10 to 12 minutes. And now I'm gonna add this paste that I have blended with the fried onion and the raw onion, the chopped onion. I'm gonna add some water later in the same blender. So now you're gonna add the almond as well. All the spices, some green chillies. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium-low, and then I'm gonna give this a good mix. Make sure you add like at least a cup to a cup and a half, because the almond is going to make this gravy very thick, and you're not gonna have enough gravy. So if you want your gravy to be thicker, then you can just add like 3/4 cup of water, but you still need to add enough water just until the chicken cook as well, and then you can dry the gravy the way you like it after the chicken has been cooked. So right now I'm gonna cover the pan and the wok and let this cook over medium-low heat for about, let's give it about 15 to 20 minutes, but stirring time to time. And look how our chicken is looking. So now the gravy is getting thicker. Like, I would probably leave it like that. So when you turn the heat off, as this gravy sits, this chicken will sit. It will come a little more thicker than you think. Add some chopped coriander, fried onions that I have left. And our almond chicken, our poulet badam is ready, and smell is so good as usual. So now all I'm gonna do is just sprinkle some almond so that everybody knows this is almond chicken. I can't wait to dig into it. It is hot, and for today I'm just gonna serve this with naan. You can serve this with white rice, fricassee rice, maybe roti, whatever you prefer. My oven is preheated over there. This is the sound that you just heard. So that means my naan is preheating, and our dinner is going to serve right now. I'm gonna leave you with the ingredient down below in the description box, and don't forget to like this video if you like this, and I will see you next time with another great recipe. For now, bye bye.